Happy Friday evening, friends. It is Melissa from Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page on this fantastic Friday. So with our truck, we are going to use some strawberries. I have this tissue paper that has strawberries on them. And so I thought it would be super cute to decoupage this on the background and then do this stencil over it, which I know you can't see it, but do over it in black and have the strawberries all over the board. And then we can grunge it up, not grunge it up, keep it bright, whatever. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, when you're doing decoupage, especially with your stencils and things like that, you always wanna do your surface a lighter color so your tissue paper will show up. When you're working with tissue paper, guys, you got to remember tissue paper is really thin. It's a lot different than your rice papers and all those things. It's kind of like napkins. It's very thin. So you're going to probably have some wrinkles. You can do the iron method. We're not going to go in and do all of that tonight. But I just want to kind of have a fun background. All right, we're going to use some Mod Podge tonight. I'm using dishwasher safe because that's what I have right now that's closed. But you can use any type of Mod Podge, outdoor Mod Podge, regular Mod Podge, whatever Mod Podge you like. All right. So, like I said, we're taking our Mod Podge. We can work in sections or we can do the whole thing at one time. I'm gonna go ahead and do the one thing at a time because like I said, it is tissue, so it's not very thick. And when you're using Mod Podge on wood, I recommend going in both directions because you have the pores and all the things of the wood and you wanna make sure that it gets adhered well. All right. So see how when we use that sander, we can just go and it takes our paper right off because we didn't put any Mod Podge on. We are gonna use, did I do that right the first time? Strawberry Patch, pick your own open daily. And then like I said, we're gonna do this in all black. So, gonna make it super easy. We're gonna swirl, or I swirl. I will use 2 coats because there is a design underneath it and I want my paint to cover it up. We're using black. This is our base coat. So don't think we're gonna see the strawberries through all the writing and stuff. We're gonna get it taken care of. If you gotta do 3 coats, you can do 3 coats. We're using the same color, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal. Not what I mean it to be. All right, gonna give it a quick dry in between my coats because you don't want to take wet paint and move wet paint around. It's not gonna accomplish anything. Oh, I keep picking up way too much paint. Look how much paint I'm putting on there. That is like a ridiculous amount. Okay. There. Ow. So cute. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more over the truck. I don't need to do the letters, just the truck part. So cute. I did get a little bit of bleed through on one of my lines, so I'm just gonna pick that real quick. All right, who's ready? Who is ready? Y'all, this is so cute. Remember, it's backwards, so I am sorry, but y'all, how cute is that? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take that black And I'm gonna go around this like I normally do. I'm that person. Y'all, I love it. Actually, do I want to use black or do I want to do wax? Or do I want to leave it like this? Y'all, that is so cute. I hope y'all like that idea. I think it's so cute. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna do it. I just have to hold it up to do it. Not super dark. Just a little bit. If I had some rub and buff, that would probably be cuter. So we just added a little bit of black. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but how cute is that, guys? Something a little bit different. So cute. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed weekend. I will see y'all next Friday at 7 p.m. over here on the Essential Stencil page. And bye, guys. I hope y'all had fun tonight.